Hey, how do I look?
Very handsome.
Thank you, Scarlett. Buffalo chicken wings. So easy. There's really only one way to do them. All right, I bought this today. Great value. Came from Walmart, right? I don't know. They had some other ones to offer. Wings are very expensive right now. $27 plus tax, $28. But it is 8 pounds. I'm going to show you how we do these. It's a little time consuming the way I do them, but they turn out fantastic. Where was Buffalo Wings created? Buffalo, at a place called Anchor Bar. Go ahead and do your research if you're really interested. And there are going to be 3 ingredients. I'm not going to tell you the other 2 ingredients. It's so simple. We're doing this today because it's playoff football. It starts this weekend, wild card. And you can tell who my favorite team is, right? But we're rooting, at least I am. I'm rooting for Buffalo. They play tonight, 7 o'clock here, I think, local time, against New England. Down with New England. Up with Buffalo. So what better to do? Buffalo chicken wings, our favorite here. Okay, so here in Oklahoma, I've had wings. And you got Buffalo Wild Wings. Okay, they're fine. You got Pizza Hut, or you got your little locally owned. And for some reason, folks here love to add vinegar in their Okay, no. So this is what we're gonna do. I had this all planned out, like kind of a speech to give, but I half the time I think of really good things to talk about, and I forget. So we're gonna take these wings. These look pretty meaty. They're frozen. All right, you can thaw them out if you want to buy them like a week in advance. All right, I'm doing two baking sheets. Sometimes you get a little feather, just to throw that on the floor where the dogs will eat it. And then the other thing to talk about with chicken wings is what's everyone's favorite section of the wing. You know, with these cheaper ones, you might have to do a little bit of plucking. Sorry, vegans. Or just get rid of that. There's the drumstick, and there's the wing, the flat. The drumstick versus the flat. What's everybody's favorite? For me, if I could buy a whole thing of flats, that's what I would do. The actual, the wing, the actual wing section versus. These are some meaty freaking wings.
I was just thinking that.
But anyone that's made wings knows they're going to shrivel up. So, see, I don't know. We don't need this. So, quality control there, great value. All right, what we're going to do, and this is real simple. We're going to put them in the oven. I got the oven at 375. And we're going to put them in there, and we're going to bake them. Right now, I can't give you a specific time, and we're going to do this video in sections. So we're going to put them in the oven, and we're going to let them cook. And we're going to cook them all the way till they're done. But before we get ready to put the sauce on them, we're going to kind of put them in the fryer. It's not a fryer, it's a Dutch oven with oil in it. And we're going to fry them to get to them crispiness. And then throw them in the buffalo wing sauce. And I'll show you the buffalo wing sauce and how simple it is. Very simple recipe. I've seen wings done on the Blackstone. I don't know why you would even bother doing that, because they got to be fried. Pardon me, Sebastian, please. We put them in the oven. We're gonna cook them. We're gonna cook them all the way till they're done. And you can do this the night before or whatever you want to do. Early in the morning, and just let them sit. Because like I said, we're going to fry them. And then we're going to toss them in sauce. Yeah, darn it. I can't pick it up right now because I just touched chicken, but look at what my honey made. Oh. From scratch. That's a talent right there. I don't have a talent. She's got a talent. Look at this is her starter. See all the bubbles? She's very excited about that. Very bubbly, and that means it's going to be good. Here's a hint of the recipe. Butter dish. All right, so when we come back, I'll show you, because what we're going to do is we're going to let them cook, and they'll release a lot of moisture and some fat, and you want to go, oh, dang it. I didn't put canola oil on the thing. I didn't spray it. We'll see. Yeah, I might have to take them out. Listen, I forgot. Like I said, I'm professional. I usually spray that aluminum foil down with this because they will stick. So off camera, I'll go ahead and do that. That's very important, actually. Yeah, because they're going to stick to it. So what I do is wait till I get to a certain point, check them, and we'll go ahead and drain all the moisture off there, flip them, so you get an even cook on them. So when we come back, I'll show you how I do that process, and then how long it took, 375 to that point, to that point, to that point, until the time we cook them. So come on back, and let's root for Buffalo. By the time this video gets posted, you'll know the results of the Buffalo Bills game. But man, wouldn't that be fun to see them? It's been like forever since they got in there, and I know a lot of people probably don't care, but I do. Since I can't root for the Jets, I'm rooting for Buffalo. Buffalo Bills. Let's go, Buffalo. All right, we're back. These have been in the oven for right around 30 minutes. I'm going to show you what we do. Oh, glass just got steamed up. All right, you can see the amount of moisture that you get off of these, and just get rid of it. Doesn't have to get rid of all of it, but see all that? You know, it's kind of not very appealing, but then bring them over. Let me close this up. And if you got an oven that's older like ours, I need some tongs. Look at that. If you got an older oven and you can't fit these, baking sheets side by side, if you got one on the top, just go ahead and alternate them. You know how ovens are. So you see, 30 minutes in, 375, and they're cooking. Yeah, and you can see how much they've gone down. So just give them a flip. And then do the same. You can buy like 4-pound bags of these if you're normal eaters, unlike us. I think value-wise, this is probably less expensive. And, oh, dang it. Hold on a second. I'll put that there. Grab these. Drain. Ow. Dang it, that's hot. Okay. Take these. These are on the bottom. No, these are on the top. So those are going to go on the bottom. And we'll do a little flippy flip again. I did end up taking these off camera and putting the canola oil, the spray oil down there. It really does help out a lot to keep them not sticking. And if you get rid of all the moisture on these, then they're going to stick. So you want to keep some of it on there. And as they continue to cook, they'll release more moisture until they're done. Now here at the house, everyone likes their wings done to a certain, I don't know, doneness. We like ours crispy. And, oh, hello, Frodo. And so we're going to cook them. They're going to be well done, and then we're going to fry them. And we put them in here, and we got this little deal set up over here. You get ready for later. We're going to fry them, and they're going to be crispy. So, because when you put the sauce on it, the way we do it, it'll take away from the crispiness a little bit. So that's why we kind of double cook them. Cook thoroughly in the oven, kind of flash fry them, for better words, and then add sauce. So when we come on back, say, I don't know, maybe another half an hour. I just keep checking it. It's what I've always done. I've never really paid attention to time-wise because we just cook them until they're done, but that's what we're going to do. So when we come back, we'll check them again. And then once they're fully cooked, we'll show you the finishing process. And we're just going to make some little pizzas to go with this. Let's see, where is it? Where is it? Oh, hello, buddy. Yeah, I got something out of the freezer. That's a reason to bark. 5 cheese Texas toast, great value, of course. And we're gonna make these into little pizzas. We've done that before, and they're really, really good. So we're gonna have some little tasty treats tonight for supper. So come on back, and we'll show you the next part of it, everybody. All right, so the wings are done. I wrote down how long they took. Now, if you look at the directions and you cook them in the oven, it says 80 minutes for that many wings. So I showed you the one part where we drain them, and then I went ahead again and checked them. I put them in at 305. At 335 is when I drained them. 405 they're done. So that was right about, no, 405, I'm sorry, 405 I checked them again, flipped them again, and they were done at about 430. So it was about 90 minutes because we like ours a little extra done. So here's the most important part of the wings. Frank's Red Hot, 2 ingredients, plus the wings is 3. Where's my knife? Here's your Frank's. I'm going to use half a stick of real butter. I'm going to put that in there. We could put a paper towel on there. I'm going to microwave it. Okay. By the way, we busted into that sourdough. Absolutely delicious. I'm going to put that for a minute and we'll check it. So we got it set for real high. It's supposed to be 375, but we've had it going for a while. So watch me. Let's take some wings. We're going to fry them. They don't need to be fried very long. Don't hurt yourself. Fan's on. We'll have to keep the fan on low. Now what I'm going to do is, kind of like I said before, I'm going to flash fry them. I'm going to throw them in here. That's really all you need. And as you can see, come on a little bit closer there, Tori. You're just adding a little bit of crispiness to them.
Oh, yeah.
All right. We'll throw them in there. Our sauce is almost done. I need a fork. All right. So the deal with the Franks and the butter, it's really that simple. You don't need to do anything else. As you can tell here at our house, we like Franks. Yeah, I got that from Amazon. You just want to get the butter incorporated in there. So the more butter you add, the less spicy hot it's going to be. That's kind of common sense, right? What do we like? We like real hot. What are you doing? Oh, they're petting Buddy. Isn't that cute? What do we like them? Real hot, medium hot.
I like the medium.
Aiden likes them super hot.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a medium. This is so half a stick of real butter. I don't know. I don't measure it. We just kind of wing it. Get it? All right, right? Well, I'm only going to do one serving of them. I mean, you can add because we're going to do a lot of them, and then we'll just toss them around.
Oh, yeah. That looks delicious.
Oh, hello, Ruppy.
Dip, potato chip.
Yeah. As you can tell, I'm not doing these on the Blackstone. Part of the reason is it's like 11 degrees out and super windy. And I'm a wimp.
Snowy.
Yeah, there's some snow. All right, let's take these over here. Where are my tongs? There they are. Come on, everybody. Follow me. Celery. So like I said, when you flash fry them like that, it's pretty necessary because once you add that buffalo wing sauce to them, that crispiness is going to go away a little bit. But bam, I'm telling you right now, that's how you do chicken wings. It's that simple. Cook them in the oven for the recommended time, a little bit more depending on how you like them done. Crispy, not crispy. Then put them in some oil. You're just going to fry them for literally seconds.
The camera does not do it justice without the
No, and that's really all you got to do. Again, the more butter you add, the less hot it'll be. You can do straight Franks. I mean, it's not the hottest sauce in the world, but it's that simple. Anchor Bar is the one that invented these in Buffalo, and this is the way they do them. So that's my chicken wing video, and I'm real happy to show everybody, especially folks that live here in Oklahoma. It's that simple. That's what you got to do. So go ahead and give them a try for football or for whenever you want. And thanks for watching, and have a nice day. And I love you all very, very much.
Hello?
I love you.